Today our topic is Van-Hoff factor. Van-Hoff factor is the ratio of normal molecular mass to the observed molecular mass of solute. It is the ratio of the normal molecular mass to the observed molecular mass and denoted by I. So I equals to normal molecular mass, normal molecular mass upon observed molecular mass. Normal molecular mass upon observed molecular mass, or the calculated observed colligative property, observed colligative property, observed colligative property upon calculated value of colligative property, calculated value of colligative property. One more, where we express the Van-Hoff factor, total number of moles of particles after association or dissociation upon total number of moles of particles or total number of particles before association and dissociation. Total number of particles before association or dissociation are known as the Van-Hoff factor. Associations, that means number of particles associated with each other. So if the solute particle associated in solution, so molecular mass increases but the colligative property decreases, because association number of particles decreases, and dissociations molecules break up, so colligative property increases but molecular mass decreases. So it is called Van-Hoff factor. Normal molecular mass and observed molecular mass ratio is called Van-Hoff factor. Van-Hoff factor expresses the association or dissociation of the solute particle in the solution. In case of association, molecules combine with each other. So Van-Hoff factor value is I greater than 1. Secondly, in case of dissociations, molecules break up into smaller particles, so molecular mass decreases but colligative property increases. The Van-Hoff factor greater than 1. And third, there is no association, no dissociation in the solution. When there is no association or dissociation, no association or dissociations in the solution, so I equals to 1. So it is the Van-Hoff express the association dissociation in the solute particle in solution. If in case of association in solution, solute particle get associated with each other, so molecular mass increases and colligative property decreases, that condition the I is less than 1. In case of dissociations, the Van-Hoff factor is more than 1. In case there is no association or dissociation, the value of Van-Hoff factor becomes 1. And Van-Hoff also modified all the colligative properties equations. They modified all the colligative properties equations as first modified qualitative properties. Modified qualitative properties equations as. So first our qualitative property is relative lowering in vapor pressure. Relative lowering in vapor pressure. Expression is P naught A minus PA upon P naught A equals to I x B. Want to introduce their factor I. Second qualitative property our is elevation in boiling point. They modified delta dB equals to kb m. So they modified I kb m. Third qualitative property is the depression in freezing point. So one term introduce their factor. Depression in freezing point, then Tf equals to I Kf m. And fourth is osmotic pressure. Pi equals to CRT, so pi equals to ICRT. So Bond have modified all the qualitative property equation as. With the help of this equation we will find out the value of Van 't Hoff factor I. So Van 't Hoff factor is the ratio of the normal molar mass upon observed molecular mass.